Kasilong Press Club harengkat kajinga trelang berkatena DIPR ka khanriu tarik unai wing hajar arfway kelap long ya ke National Press Day Hasilong Club ya kate ke National Press Day laju penlong haman la ke sisin sisnam haman la ke khanriu tarik jong upanai nai wing kabalong ke sengi rakhe kerpang jong kinong tho khubor hakari India hi barok away. Lawan poi bani sim bentalang hakate kesengi kerpang do menteri badai pe jikilat pathai khubor u James K Sangma harangkat ke jindon lang u CEM ka KHEDC u ba Titos Khain bad u ba Vivan Kenta u balong na kinoy site an u balarang ba hakajella bad kilat pathai khubor ka jella. Hakate kesengi la pelong ni kajinga peliu jungmud lane ka panel discussion halor ka phang balabu da ka Press Council of India ka baong mano bamting ikilat pathai khubor lane who is not afraid of media. Nakaliang uba Viven Kenta habakran halor kate ka phang balabu da ka Press Council of India uloong ki bating hi ikilat pathai khubor ki deitang ki riu sain perthai bat ki bri ki baju persang banburi ki jing sisa henrei ki bamting ikilat pathai khubor ki dei hi ki riu paitba namar ki riu paiba ki dei ki badon kam mi ki jingirap jong kilat pathai khubor ha ki babon ki banta.
Who are in the grassroots, they are not afraid of the media. But exactly who's afraid of the media? If you go to the colonial time history, you will notice that that it is the government, the political class, like what Bapol has commented, and certain sections of the bureaucracy who are afraid of the media. Till today, we'll notice that there are so many legislation, one way or the other, trying to gag the press, gag the media, till today. And if you look at the judicial proceedings also, from time and again we have this notion that on the request of the government council, that the press must be gagged, they must not be allowed to publish certain information which the public would like to know. Recently in 2015, there was a gagging order on the prayer of the Director General of Police of Meghalaya that the demand or the call for hartal or band by any organization should not be allowed to be published in the press. According to me, I feel that that fear is unfounded. We, the citizens of this country, have got the right to know. I will go back to Kerala High Court. It has a rule out. It has passed a judgment saying that the prayer of the government to gag the press in the event there is a call for ban or hartal is not constitutional. We, the citizen, have got a right to know. So what I'm trying to say here is this. In short, that it is the government, the political class, and sometimes I have to admit it's the court who are afraid of the media. They are afraid that there will be, especially the court, are afraid that there will be misinformation, there will be misinterpretation of judgments. It is for that reason we say that who's not afraid of the media? Here they captioned, I will say it's somehow correct to the extent that the political class, the government, if they want to avoid transparency, if you want to hide something, with due respect to my colleagues, friends, politicians, the corrupt politicians are always afraid of the media. I've been told by my daughter, in fact, who's here, my colleagues, they said, please don't be controversial in your speech. I'm trying to control myself, but somehow there's a leakage of revenue, like they used to say. There's some sort of leakage. So, with due respect, I have to say that the common man is not afraid of the media, except few classes, especially the government who wants to avoid information to be percolated to the ordinary citizen.